Hello, computer scientists. Let's take a look at database systems. You realize that database systems are extremely powerful and also can be easily abused. Talk about a ripe field to investigate concepts related to vocation and ethical computing. This is absolutely one of them. Let's take a look at the database system that I'd like you to investigate in this homework assignment. Let me share my screen with you. I'm using a standard browser, and I'm browsing to the link that you see there in the homework assignment. The link is at w3schools.com. It's the SQL tutorial. Now, on the right side here, you can see your database. Remember that a database is a collection of related files. By the way, database folks refer to files as tables. So you see a number of tables here, customers, categories, etc. And your job is, if you're not already familiar with SQL, and I'm sure many of you are, you need to spend some time brushing up or maybe familiarizing yourself with SQL. And there's another link to do that there. You'll notice that when we enter a standard SQL statement here, we can run it and see the results down here. Select is a fundamental SQL statement. We'll run it, and here you can see the results. Select star, the asterisk, some people say splat, means everything from this table. So if we looked at the table, we would see exactly that, all these customers. Now, likely that's not very useful. So notice that I can qualify things based upon the attribute. Rather than selecting everything, I can say select a specific field. For example, customer name. When I run that, you can see that rather than everything, we're just going to get portions of that table, the customer name field. Feel free to take a look at some of these other tables, employee, etc., orders, and so it goes. And your task now is to create SQL statements to investigate certain aspects of this database. As you're doing that, and one of the questions will be specific about that, I want you to think to yourself, how can the power of a database system be exploited for bad purposes? Absolutely. How could someone exploit what's in a database in order to serve their own selfish gain, as opposed to in a vocational sense where we're helping and serving our neighbor? So there you go. You'll be able to do just fine on this. Have at it.